Exceptional GD. Good hotel in a great location. The hotel was pretty nice and clean. The guy at reception was super nice and offered me help to nearby restaurants. Overall a pretty nice experience, recommended. Exceptional. Everything is great, room is clean and the staff are accommodating. Near train station, I will probably book here again. Easy to access to night market and some attractions. Overall my family and I like here. Just the space of the room is not that big, but can be compensated by friendly staffs and free car parking. Good hostels. Good to suggest. Exceptional. The only negative is that the included breakfast is the usual Taiwanese hotel meal of only bread and jelly. Otherwise the place is great. Excellent location, good value for money. Excellent location, good value for money. Good location, worth for money. Nice place to stay. Room was good and hotel was so sweet. By decorate the room for us because we having honeymoon there. Nice staff! Nice location. Nice room. The staff is awesome. Good. I had requested her to make a surprise arrangement for my boyfriend, and she did an awesome job. My boyfriend liked it very much. For the location, although it is not so near with the railway station, but I think it is worth to walk there and stay. Room cleanliness, I was satisfied, nothing to complain. Only one thing I wish to give my opinion, which is the breakfast. It is too veggie to me, and it keeps repeating every day. I suggest that it should change the menu daily. Overall, worth to a pleasant stay. Good. Clean room and near eateries. Night market is nearby, about 10 minutes walk. Nice rice dumpling just less than 100 meters away from the hotel. Great location around 500 meters away from the train station, cozy room provided with large beds. Very nice stay. The room is very clean and comfortable, especially the toilet. The staff here are friendly and the breakfast is nice. The hotel is near to the bus and train stations too, walk around 3 to 5 minutes. Good place to stay. Prince to travel hotel, great. Good location, bed was comfortable, hotel was near the train station, very convenient.